Hi everyone, have you ever been to a restaurant and felt nervous or awkward about ordering in English? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's lesson, I'll show you all the phrases you need to order food like a pro. Let's get started. Now we're gonna kick it off with greeting and asking for a table. And in this example, we're assuming that a customer didn't have any prior reservation. And I am also acting out the roles of both the customer and the waiter or waitress. Hi, do you have a table for two? Hi, can I get a table for three, please? Sometimes restaurants can get very busy. And in that case, a person who is serving you or who is attending to you would say, it'll be a 10-minute wait or whatever waiting time it is. So it might be a 20-minute wait. And you would just reply by saying, that's fine, thank you. Now you've got your table, you're seated at the table, and it's time for you to take a look at the menu. A menu is just a list of items available at a restaurant to order. So it could be food and drinks with their prices, right? So you're looking at the menu and okay, you're not sure what to order, and you ask, so you can ask the person who is serving you and say, can I get some recommendations? Or you can say, what's the special today? Most restaurants have daily specials, and for the most part, sometimes the prices are reasonable. Or you can simply hold up the menu and point at a meal and say, what's in this, right? Or is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Most people would begin with an appetizer before moving on to the main course or the main meal, and then finish it off with dessert. So an appetizer is just a small amount of food that's eaten before the main meal. And then dessert would be usually sweet food that's eaten at the end of a meal. So you're almost done with the menu and it's time to place your order. And you can say, I'd like the grilled chicken, please. Can I have the spaghetti? I'll have a Coke to drink. Now, sometimes a Coke is referred to as pop or soda. And if you're not sure how to pronounce anything, you can just, again, hold up the menu and point at the meal and say, I'll have this, please. Some customers have allergies, or they might be allergic to certain food items, and they might need special requests. So here's how you can go about it. You can say, can I have this without onion? So you're, again, pointing at a meal in the menu and say, can I have this without onion? Or can you make this vegetarian? Can you make this vegetarian? Or you can say, I'm allergic to nuts or tomatoes or whatever thing that you're allergic to. And just make sure you ask to confirm that whatever thing that you're allergic to is not in the meal that you're about to order. So you can say, does this meal, or does this have whatever thing that you're allergic to? Now, the restaurant was great, service was excellent, and the meal was amazing. And it's time for you to pay your bill. Here's what you can say. Can I get the check, please? So check is just the American word for a bill. Or you could say, could I have the bill, please? In some regions of the world, it's very common to split the bill. In that case, you would say, can we split the bill? Or can I pay separately? Now again, in some regions of the world, tipping is very popular. So you might be prompted to tip, but I think it's optional. You can decide to skip it. That's it for today's lesson. Now you're ready to order food like a pro. Practice these phrases in the comments below and tell me about your favorite food or dish. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more lessons. See you next time. Bye.